Hi everyone, today we are at Ikea. You can see here. Let's do some shopping today. It looks cool. I'll flip the camera now. Here we are going. Okay, let's cross the road. Here's the entrance. Let's take the pedestrian path. So we are going to enter right here. So we have entered. Beautiful place. Ikea is a home furnishing company founded in Sweden in 1943. Interestingly, in 2020, Ikea was the fourth most valuable retailer in the world. Also, Ikea is headquartered in Netherlands. You can see here they have appliances and furniture for each and every room. Say it's a drawing room or kids room or a kitchen, they have everything. What makes IKEA special is I believe they are cost effective. Most of their items are like DIY. They have very quick service, and whatever you choose, you can go to the aisle and select your items yourself. And also they are very compact and easy to load. They can easily fit in your car. Like I'm going to buy something, and you can see at the end. This place is cool. Oh, this setup is so cool. Wow, I think I want to live here. Wow, look here. Wow. TV, table, sofa. Looks cool as well. Children's room. Feels like it. Okay. A perfect kitchen. You can see here, if you are out of ideas how to decorate your room or kitchen, you can get lots of ideas and inspiration here. Now we are at the aisle to load our items here. So we need to collect our items from here. Which one? Now you don't have to wait for anyone to come here and load your items. You can do everything yourself, and this is so easy and quick. They have giant storage locations, as you can see here, and they are very easy to find. You can easily find your items in whatever aisle they are. So we are going for the checkout. Just a little wait and we are done here. We have collected our other items from the IKEA warehouse, and that was also very quick. These trolleys are very helpful when you want to load your items to your car. By the way, this compact thing is a bunk bed. I know you won't believe it, but it is. Now we are going to our car and then we gonna load these items. Let's go to the car then. This is a bumpy ride. And here we go. So this is IKEA warehouse and we are going. And see. We just had to lower the back seats to accommodate everything, as you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to help now. Gonna adjust our items. This is the last one. I think it's so heavy, super heavy. No problem at all. Yeah, we are done. I'm going to put the trolley back. Okay, it should go here. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, man. Yeah. Okay, we have placed the trolley. Time to go. Bye bye, Ikea. Bye.